Lot number 128 is a 2004 Bluebird school bus. This is an all-American 72 passenger school bus. Motor sounds good. It's been running for about an hour. Has not overheated. It idles smooth, revs up nice. Automatic transmission engages. The air brakes are working. I drove the bus in the parking lot here and it drives smooth. Let me show you the engine. It's missing both belts for the AC compressor, so the AC is blowing warm. Unable to really check if the ACs work or not. It's got dual ACs mounted on the roof, one in the front, one in the rear. Motor sounds good. The body is straight. It's got a scrape on the passenger side. Overall, the body looks straight. It's got very minor dents and scratches. The paint is faded. The tinted windows look good. Tires look good. They look fair. They show wear, but they're still pretty meaty. Good looking tires. There's the scrape on the passenger side. All the city decals were painted over. All the glass looks good. All the doors open and close as they should. There's the driver's side, looks good. The roof looks moldy. Let me show you inside. Driver's seat looks good. It's got a couple little cracks along the sides, but it's not torn. All the seating inside looks fair. It all shows normal wear and tear. The seats are moldy and dirty, but they're not really torn. They're just really dirty and moldy. It's got two AC units, carrier, and both blow warm, again because the compressors are disconnected. They don't have any belts. We can't really check the AC system. Again, the seats show normal wear and tear and look moldy and dirty. The divider between the driver's seat and the passenger is torn. All the gauges appear to be working. It shows 53,000 miles. Revs up nice. I'll rev it up. Engine sounds good. It's got the check transmission light on. Alright, that's about it. It's a 72 passenger Bluebird school bus. Runs and drives. It's lot number 128. 128. Good luck.